CBC's Career Services Department is here to support your professional development. We aim to prepare you for the workforce and guide you to gain hands-on experience in your field. Individualized appointments are available to review career-related documents and discuss career topics. The following services are available for all CBC students and are offered through one-on-one email, Zoom, and in-person reviews. If you would prefer to independently review career-related resources, visit our Career Services Canvas shell. Don't forget to add us on your dashboard and to get all the latest employment and career event announcements. By selecting the Modules tab on your left panel, you will gain access to one-sheet guides, videos, external links, and other resources meant to assist you in exploring careers, building your resume, finding your next career move, interviewing, and much more. If you have any questions or would like to make an appointment, email careerservices@columbiabasin.edu today. You don't have to face your career journey alone. We are here to ensure that you are job ready for your career. Thanks for tuning in. We look forward to working with you. Go Hawks!